How to check edit history on Google Sheets. Hey everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to check edit history on Google Sheets. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. Firstly, you should have some text or some data that is recently edited on your Google Sheets. So in this example, we are going to check edit history. So for that, go to the cell which edit history you want to check and now right click. Here in the menu list, you can see show edit history. So click on it. There you go, you can see edit history. So that wraps for today. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comment section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos.